Hi everyone! Check this out! Brand new Toyota LC300 with 22-inch ULTRA Large PCD 22-inch. We use NITTO Ridge GRAPPLER tires 285/45 22 and black chrome center cap. See the stance on this unit. Now we're waiting for the rear left spring to arrive because right now we want to lower the rear a little bit. Maybe we're going to install after a few weeks. We're just waiting for the big brake kit to arrive on this unit. Feel free to message me here at PRS because stock is boring and no to fake wheels. Stay safe always. Bye!